Everyone, welcome to Infinite Warfare's live stream. I mean, did I say Infinite Warfare's smart. Oh, and hello everyone watching.
And we're vlogging.
So,
yeah, what's going on, guys? We got a boy Seth here. I figured I'd start a vlog just because he's here. So
he's finally here.
He does.
Yeah, sorry about
and
a couple other times.
And filming actually has begun on the brand new hit series that we hit original. My bad, not hit original series. Gone from Sanity.
Indeed. You gonna start the fucking game or what? Fucking nigger. Update requires restart.
Oh, jeez.
Oh man.
All I want is see what
the thing is, I already updated it, so now it's just the Infinite Warfare just like noting that hey, there is in fact an update. Let's see. It updated like last week. I just haven't.
Updated it last week as well.
I heard this game's over 100 gigs.
No.
Actually,
That's
the
not
whole
true.
thing come
I mean,
out.
with Modern Warfare Remastered. Yes. I mean, hello.
Did you do something with staples?
Ah, yes, we did.
The stapler.
We did, and you will be able to see that later.
Okay, and here's an envelope that was on the counter close to this that is missing.
Ah,
And
yes.
we need it.
That would be this.
Why are you using the
I saw an envelope.
props?
There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put the stapler.
Why do you need the stapler?
We use stapler for the series.
I'll show you how it's done.
There was a
guys.
part when we were putting out flyers to find that new
Pretty
room.
cool.
And
Yeah, but do you need real staples in it?
no, we took the staples out.
Because
the idea was
to
to-
be done with it.
Yeah, the idea was that Chandler staples my hand. So, yeah.
You have something new.
Sorry about that, everyone. Actually, I don't apologize. That was my mother. She is amazing. Put that in your ear.
Sorry if you just see me on my phone the whole time. I'm
No, it's-
uploading.
This is Seth.
Yeah, he's a queer, don't
You may know him from Sal
Gaming.
Gaming.
Still on the Wolverines.
Yeah, I mean, I have the other ones. I just don't prefer to go over yet. Get this to at least 25.
Oh my god, there's only 2 people on their team.
Do you plug your earbuds in?
That's the perfect.
Oh.
Team
Say,
Death.
Actually, let me see this real quick.
Welcome to the battle.
Turn the volume down for the stream. So
this is Infinite Warfare. So. Oh, whoa.
right now he's doing pretty bad.
So where's George from Halo?
What?
I heard that he's in here.
Naturally.
Oh. Some people say this is a lot like Halo, but I'm
It-
saying that
it
Halo's
resembles
become-
Halo.
What a name. Horrible. What the hell is he even doing with his life?
I don't know.
Well, obviously being better than you at Call of Duty.
Oh snap! He fucking roasted you. No comeback?
No, because he doesn't even play Call of Duty, so he can't say shit.
Hey, I played Battlefield 1.
I mean,
That's
not
good.
Call of Duty.
oh, no, that's got 360 quad scope. Nah, my teammate didn't even
Was he
fucking know me.
flying?
Enemy UAV in your vicinity.
Have that one.
Oh, I got the kill.
The sonar thing.
Do I not have? Oh, I don't have my silencer yet. I forgot. Yeah, I'm in the process of ranking up my MV4 to Prestige 3. Wow, these guys are good.
I thought you were going to say something else.
For the people watching the stream, who either watches afterwards, when it's uploaded, you know what's going on. For the people, what are these spawns? So like this. I spawned in front of a guy again. I mean, this time I got the jump on him, but damn. That guy's power armor. That's 10 cops. The people watching,
Like
people,
from Fallout?
yes, for people watching this vlog, you have no idea what's going on the screen. We're playing Infinite Warfare and we're getting our dick smacked. Just like that. Buzz,
Just
look.
like that video. God damn, I tried to drop shot him.
He's a George Russell. We're sitting in awesome chairs right now.
Yeah, it's...
Nick.
Ugh.
You like that?
I do.
Look up. You like that?
If you wanna call me daddy.
Yes, sir, Dad.
Don't make me come down, bro.
Look at this nigga.
The bipod from Warminder.
Oh. That was a little breaching thing.
Dad, I don't think you should threaten me. I have the upper hand.
Oh.
Pull out a
I
G3.
have no part in this.
Oh!
Sir, is that a weapon on a live stream?
Get the kills. It's an airsoft gun.
Don't mind it.
Sue me, Keemstar.
Fuck you.
Let's get right into the news.
This is a good song for live streams.
So as you can see, my
Enemy
screen
UAV in
blinked
your
a little
vicinity.
bit. Evan is currently using the FTL combat, which the payload
The enemy
might
has a
not
drone.
use pretty well.
Oh, you can run on walls? I haven't done that since Black Ops 3.
This game runs smoother than Black Ops 2.
So you know the name of the song is called?
What's that?
It's called Rape Me.
Oh. Is it really rape then? If you want
It's meant, when they say rape me, they mean like getting like talked about on the media, like getting bashed on media.
Nigger!
Enemy hunter on the field.
It's not a joke.
Oh jeez, I was just gonna be
Yeah,
bad.
sliding
Please
is right
pay
stick.
no attention to my gameplay. I
Hey,
do.
right stick is sliding. You have to hold it. When you sprint, press left stick to sprint.
Well, I know that.
But if you double tap X, you'll jump or boost.
Where's
Jesus.
Alright. Just like that.
UAV.
Can somebody tell me what happened?
It's got one.
You were murdered.
I noticed.
Yeah.
So,
Not like that.
I have a suppressor on my.
I know, I don't. Well, I mean, I'm besieging mine, so mine's probably not unlocked yet. I don't even know where I got killed from.
They're coming from the skies.
Well, let's get into this video because that's 7 minutes. Anyways, drop a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe to that bitch.
Leave a like for Nirvana.
Of course, subscribe to him, and Nirvana's pretty dope, so.
Bye, guys.
Fuck you guys. Peace.